Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of memory and sharing some powerful psychological tricks to enhance your recall abilities. Ever wonder how some folks just seem to effortlessly remember names, dates, or even entire speeches? Well, it's not magic. It's often about understanding how your brain best stores and retrieves information. Whether you're a student facing a mountain of exams, a professional navigating the complexities of your field, or just someone who forgets where they put their keys more often than they'd like to admit, these tips are designed to help you unlock the full potential of your memory. Get ready to explore the cosmos of your own mind, because we're about to embark on a journey to make you a memory master. All right, cosmic comrades. Let's kick things off with a technique straight out of the history books. And no, it's not some dusty old scroll. It's called the Memory Palace, or the Method of Lossy, and it's been used by memory champions and, well, regular folks for centuries. Picture this. You need to memorize a shopping list. Milk, eggs, bread, that avocado for your toast, you know the drill. Now, instead of just repeating the list ad nauseum, let's take a mental stroll through your home, your very own memory palace. Imagine that gallon of milk chilling with the dinosaurs in your kid's room. We've all been there, right? Then you turn the corner and bam! There's a giant carton of eggs blocking the doorway to your bedroom. And don't even get me started on the loaf of bread casually lounging on your couch like it pays rent. The key here is vivid association. The more outrageous and unusual the image, the more memorable it becomes. Trust me, your brain loves this kind of stuff. So the next time you need to remember a list, a speech, or even a complex scientific concept, build yourself a memory palace and let your imagination run wild. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection and communication. It's in our DNA, like a cosmic handshake passed down through generations of stardust. And you know what? This social nature of ours can be a secret weapon when it comes to memory. Ever notice how explaining something to someone else helps you understand it better? That's because teaching forces you to engage with the information on a deeper level. You have to organize your thoughts, articulate them clearly, and answer questions. It's like taking a cosmic joyride through the information superhighway, making multiple stops along the way to really soak in the scenery. So, find a study buddy, a willing family member, or even your pet goldfish. They're great listeners, trust me. And start talking. Explain concepts, debate ideas, and watch your memory retention skyrocket. Now, let's talk about the power of the present moment. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, but taking the time to be mindful, to truly focus on the here and now, can do wonders for your memory. Think of your mind like a telescope. When it's constantly darting around, trying to focus on a million things at once, the images you see are blurry and indistinct. But when you take the time to align the lens, to focus on a single point in the vastness of space, the details become crystal clear. That's what mindfulness does for your memory. It helps you quiet the noise, filter out distractions, and create a space for information to truly sink in. So, how do you cultivate mindfulness? It's simpler than you might think. Start with just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and just breathe. Focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. With consistent practice, you'll find that your ability to focus and retain information will sharpen, just like the lens of a powerful telescope. Chapter 4. Chunking, divide, and conquer your memory challenges. Ever tried to stuff an entire galaxy into a shoebox? Yeah, it's not going to end well. The same goes for your memory. Trying to cram too much information into your brain all at once is a recipe for cognitive overload. That's where chunking comes in. This technique is all about breaking down large, complex pieces of information into smaller, more manageable chunks. Think of it like organizing your cosmic sock drawer. Instead of having a jumbled mess of stars and nebula, you neatly fold them into pairs or groups, making it much easier to find what you're looking for. For example, instead of trying to memorize a long phone number as one continuous string of digits, break it down into smaller chunks like the area code, the prefix, and the line number. Your brain will thank you for it. So the next time you're faced with a mountain of information, remember the power of chunking. Divide and conquer, my friends, divide and conquer. Chapter 5. Visualize this. Unleash the power of images. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and when it comes to memory, that couldn't be truer. Our brains are wired to process visual information more efficiently than text alone. In fact, researchers estimate that we process images 60,000 times faster than words. So why not use this to our advantage? The next time you're trying to memorize a concept, historical event, or even a foreign language vocabulary word, create a vivid mental image associated with it. Let's say you're trying to remember the definition of photosynthesis. Instead of just memorizing the textbook definition, picture a plant literally inhaling sunlight and exhaling oxygen. The more senses you can engage in your visualization, the more memorable it will be. So get creative, have fun with it, and watch your memory retention soar to new heights. Chapter 6. Move your body, boost your brain power. Now, for our final cosmic memory hack, let's get physical. No, I'm not suggesting you challenge Einstein to an arm wrestling match, though that would be epic. I'm talking about the incredible memory-boosting benefits of exercise. You see, exercise isn't just good for your body, it's like a shot of cosmic espresso for your brain. When you engage in physical activity, you increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain, which helps improve cognitive function, including memory. Think of it this way. Exercise helps clear out the cobwebs, making your brain a more receptive and efficient learning machine. And the best part, you don't have to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Even moderate exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or dancing can make a world of difference. So, get out there, move your body, and give your brain the boost it deserves. These psychological tricks can significantly enhance your memory and help you retain information more effectively. Remember, everyone's brain is different. So try out these techniques and see which ones work best for you. Experiment, have fun with it, and don't be afraid to get creative. After all, your memory is your own personal cosmos waiting to be explored. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your favorite memory tricks in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.